Hello.
You. Please stay on the line. Your call is very
Okay.
important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
I doubt that. Raindrops keep stopping on my butthole all the way to the bank. He found a thing.
Thank you for calling to order the flawless cleanse. My name is Kelly. To put the special offer, may I have your zip code, please?
64271.
64271.
That's it.
Thank you, sir. For quality purposes, this call may be recorded. Flawless, flawless cleanse. It with this silicone head is an ultra hygienic cleanser and exfoliator that promotes the appearance of radiant, clean, more youthful skin. Flawless Cleanse has four modes: gentle clean,
Uh-huh.
pulsating, massage, and deep cleanse for ultimate facial cleansing experience.
Yeah.
You will receive Flawless Cleanse for just $39.99 with free shipping and handling.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much and have a good day.
I love you and I want to have sex with you if it's okay. Is that a gentleman's agreement?